What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to a new video on Shiba Inu, which we're going to cover today. We're just going to take it easy. Good morning everyone, it's good to have you all here. But I wanted to take a look at Shiba. Actually wanted to do it yesterday, but I didn't really have time for it. So I wanted to take a look at it today because I know that there's a huge community behind it also on this channel. So yeah, thought it would be interesting to just take a look at it. And this is also kind of like an update on my last analysis. Well, I'm looking down to see when I did it, and I cannot find it. But I did it a couple of days ago. I think the 8th, like 4 or 5 days ago. There, what we said is that after breaking above this 1100 level, that's what I'm naming the prices as, especially when they're this low. When we get above that level, we'll probably consolidate for a little, then get one final move up to 1200. I thought we actually in reality went a little bit lower, so a lower low. Then find on our way down, find some more support at that level, which we did, and then afterwards, once we break 1100, we start to drop down. So I'd say that analysis was pretty accurate. That doesn't say anything about this analysis. This analysis could be completely wrong, but part of this analysis is still in play, right? Because this whole drop down towards this level here at 950 is still going on. We've just closed above or below this level around 1050, also took a break retest off of that, and now and that's quite interesting, Shiba Inu is one of the only cryptos that's actually primed for a consolidation. I mean, all the EMAs are practically at the same price level, right? Most cryptos don't have that. After this I will analyze Bitcoin. The 200 EMA for Bitcoin hasn't even dropped down to that level yet, but Shiba for the last 2 months, yeah, oh no, 2 months. I almost wanted to say 3 months, but no, for the last 2 months, after that big drop the 12th of May, has been relatively stable. I mean, obviously we had this big drop, so we had to get back from there with some sort of a bull run. But now what I expect, and let's just get into the analysis, sorry for rambling a little bit too much, but I still think it's valuable to kind of take a look at the entirety of what's happening with Shiba. What I think is going to happen is we are going to fall down to 950. That's a strong support, and I think that's going to hold. I think that 950 level corresponds to the 19,000 level for Bitcoin. And I think Bitcoin is going to drop down to 19,000 as well. So then it becomes interesting. Because if that 19,000 area holds for Bitcoin, because usually other altcoins move along with Bitcoin and not the other way around, if that actually holds, I think Shiba Inu within the next week could actually start to trend up towards 1200 again. Basically, if we hold that, we confirm the consolidation. And then we'll just consolidate between 1200 and 950 until proven otherwise, right? Until we get a bearish breakout or a bullish breakout. The only thing I want to add, and I do want to say that I think this is the most likely scenario, that we will find support at 950. But tomorrow we will have inflation rate numbers, which make the market move. Inflation rate numbers for the United States, they make the market move. So if those inflation rate numbers are actually way higher than expected, I think we're going to have a bearish breakout out of 950 and we'll just fall probably all the way down to 800 and 820. And yeah, for Bitcoin, I'll do in the analysis after that. That isn't that relevant for now, but so yeah, that could definitely change this analysis towards the more bearish side. But the other way around, it also applies. If the inflation rate is lower than expected, I mean, it's still going to be high, but if it's lower than expected, something like this could actually be accelerated within the next couple of days or something, and we could even have a breakout out of 1200. But I don't want to talk about that too much. It's still a bear market. So for now, this has been the analysis. So thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.